This is how you can successfully edit a fluid zoom in and zoom out. Drop a like if this helps. Let's go. Learn passive income concepts. Click the link down below. Let's say you want to zoom in to this video clip like so. And you would also like to zoom out. I'm just creating a cut and we're creating an out point at the end of the video clip, Control+O, and then an in point, Control+I. Now go to your project bin, go to the bottom right hand screen, click right here to access the new item, click on adjustment layer, click on OK, drag the adjustment layer on top of your video clip, go to effects and type in transform, drag this on to the adjustment layer, not the video clip. Go to effects control, make sure transform is now located. Simply put, if you would like to make this zoom in and zoom out, let's say here at the beginning, click on scale. As you can see, it's now at 100. Go to the part you want to zoom in. We're going to click right here to add another keyframe so that it doesn't zoom in if we were to do this. As you can see, it zoomed in. If you do not want it to zoom in at this point, make sure you do Control+A right here underneath effects control. And now we're going to drag this to the beginning. Now we added a keyframe, so if it were to zoom in like so, we can now move this to the right and see how it zooms in at that part of the beat. Or if you want to zoom this out, you can do the exact same thing. Let's say you add a keyframe right here. It's still 100%. Let's say it is 120 or 130 and you want this to zoom out. Right here, click right here to add another keyframe, drag this to the left, see how it zooms out.